Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to use the Windscribe Free Plan in 2026. If you want to browse securely without paying for a subscription, this guide will help you get started step by step. First, open your web browser and visit the official Windscribe website to create a free account if you don't already have one. Next, download and install the Windscribe app on your computer or mobile device. Now open the app and sign in using your free Windscribe account credentials. Next, wait for the app to load and display the list of available VPN server locations. Now choose one of the server locations included with the free plan and click Connect. Next, wait a few moments while Windscribe establishes a secure VPN connection. Once connected, check the app to confirm that your VPN is active before you begin browsing. Now keep an eye on your remaining monthly data allowance, since the free plan includes a limited amount of data. Next, disconnect from the VPN whenever you are finished to avoid using unnecessary data. Finally, if you ever need more server locations, faster speeds, or unlimited data, you can upgrade to a paid Windscribe plan at any time, and that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the Windscribe Free Plan. You can now browse the internet with greater privacy and security at no cost. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.